Hi guys, so I've ordered one of these off the internet. So over the next few days I'm going to have a bit of fun until I probably annoy someone so much that it's really best to put it down. So, time to get horny.
Rob, let you know. Oh God.
Oh, Jesus. Flip it out, boy. Flip it neck, it goes me big and heart again. Thank you for that.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
What are you doing there?
I trust you. Hey, you're more like a dinosaur.
Blimey,
If
boy.
you don't mind.
I'm gonna break that
Thanks
thing in a
for that.
minute.
Yeah.
Sounds really good.
So it. What the hell?
Archie, what was that?
More like a dinosaur.
Oh, hello, Wolf.
It's more like a gentleman.
Hello.
Look, I'm trying to sort this out.
Did that make you jump?
Sorry, there, no sirs.
That's some lovely colouring you're doing there, Faye.
I thank you.
Oh, gee. Flip it neck.
Ticked. And then there's this.
List of invoices that we.
Jesus Christ, I'm in a meeting!
Sorry.
Go away!
Yeah, you can pay it on over time. Flip it now.
How's that, Mama?
Hey. Oh. Oh, get out of it. Flip it neck. Lucky bit.
How's that sound on his head?
Jesus. Turn it in, will you?
Oh, you use their
Spread it.
credit?
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Well, 49.9 to 50%.
To come in.
Faye! Look at her laughing. Faye, you blew my ear off.
Oh, bless her.
That's quite enough.
I've had enough of it as well now. Jesus. Jesus, Claire. I can't say nothing, can I?
No.
What seemed like a great idea at first has turned bad.
Oh, roll on the next one.
No, but it's time to go in the bin, isn't it?
Watch this space.
No. Cut that. The cat's down there, look.
Oh, bless him. Look, he's not bothered. He's not bothered.
Oh, I feel a bit embarrassed. pass me this thing. I think we've had enough of this. Now it's been done to me a few times. I don't see the
Oh,
funny
you
side
don't
of it.
like it? Oh.
No, I
don't. You've gone all red.
I have, haven't I? I feel embarrassed. This is enough of the videos of this. For me, the client, and the horn. Faye's laughing her head off behind you. Is that good, Faye?
Oh no.
Horn.
For me, the client, and the family. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.